Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are discussing about keyloggers. What does keyloggers basically does, and what are the kinds of it, and what are the type of keyloggers? Sorry, what are the types of keyloggers and how to read off the keyloggers. So basically, so before I do start, so I just want to make sure that you guys do not use these tools in the wrong way because it's illegal to use this tool anywhere. So if you use and if you go to the jail, I'm not responsible for this. So just I'm going to make aware you guys this utilizing this tool is illegal. So there are some good cause also. If you want to use these tools, really you go and apply for cyber security, and you help the police, you help the CID officers. You can help these people, but do not use for fun this. Actually, the keylogger basically are two types. There is one hardware keylogger and another one is a software keylogger. And a hardware keylogger is nothing but it's like USB. Whenever it will the hacker, what he does, he will configure USB such a way when he connects to the USB port, within a fraction of seconds or minutes, it will capture all data whatever inside in the computer. It will capture, steal your data. So you might see in the companies or in your organizations, like your company will block of using USBs, because for this purpose only they will block, because someone shouldn't connect the USB and steal the data. So anyways, there are some technologies in the company. Whenever you connect it, will come to know there are some permissions if they will allow for some of the users, if they required if the users required to use the USB, they will provide you the access of USB, but they will monitor the USB as well. There are many tools. There might be a tools in your organization which they will operate and can monitor you. So the second one is software keylogger. Software keylogger is nothing but the keylogger which is configured with the software and with the program and with the scripting things, which will configure and bind into the photo or video, and it will send to you. As soon as you receive the photo or video or anything, what they will do, you will see the any word as well. If you open the wordpad, which is what hacker might send to you with, this is a word documents and all this, you will see, this is my documents, and what you will do, you'll start reading those documents. But as soon as you open the document, at the back some application will start running, which will allow the hacker to operate your machine. Like it's not an operand, sorry, allow the hacker to see whatever things you are doing. See, keylogger is nothing but basically it will send the key logs to the hacker. So you open the document, and at the back the application started running. Then if you type the google.com, and if you search something, hacker will get an email, so and so person is or has opened the Google and started searching on Google so and so things. And what it does, and you open email and type your email address and password, so what it does, it will capture the key logs and send to the hacker, his so and so person's user ID and password is so and so. So this kind of stuff, and I'll show you at the end how to get rid of this. And you guys should be always take a cautions to avoid this kind of things. See, many of the people, what it does, they downloaded crack files from third-party websites. They download MS Office, Microsoft Windows and all this. They are not aware like these file contains a virus, like virus kind of these kind of things. But some of the virus which won't detect by your antivirus like Windows Defender. The one which I will be showing you today is undetectable for Windows Defender. So so once you downloaded the Office, started using, That's whatever things you're doing, you're not aware what things are being who is watching you, because your computer is running very smoothly, and you're not giving, the computer is not giving any problem to you. So you think it's good and it's working and all this, but you're not aware that downloading from third party application, piracy will drop you into the hackers trap. So we'll start using this. So what I'll do, well, let's just make sure any VPN is installed and configured properly. Stop cd knife slots knife start status. Let me check the status of my sorry, this is a clear VPN, so it's working good, fine. And let's go back, and I'll just let's check. Okay, Saint ls cd okay ls. So what I have done, I've already configured these stuff, and this is configured with my email address. So I've used my test email address which I've created. So after creating this files, I've created in the jar file. So some hacker might create in a Word file as well, so I've created in jar. So I'll just minimize, and what I do, I'll just go to this file location, target. I'll just copy this to my machine. I'll just copy to this my Windows machine, and I'll get back to you there. We'll see you there. Hi guys. Hello guys, welcome back. Hi, we are back into the Windows machine. So I have downloaded this file. When what I've done this install this file right by opening this, and I've installed. So we'll try to browse some stuffs, my computer and all these. So Remax, source, we'll click here, try to browse this, and we'll try to browse some files and try to browse Internet Explorer as well. I'll try to sign into one of the account. So this is my test123@gmail.com. I'll try to okay. Hi guys, we are back into the Windows, we're back into the Linux machine. It's a Kali Linux. We're back. So we'll see whether we got any emails or not. So as you can see here, we have got couple of emails. So let's see by clicking. This is our images. This is an image of test123. This is an email which doesn't belong to me. I was just testing randomly. And as you can see the password over here, this is a key. This is a logs. The password which I have entered is this. This is all logs. So if you type backspace, if you press backspace, it will show you the backspace over here. If you try and enter, see, test123 was a password. I have entered it. Press enter. It entered. And there are couple of more things which you will see here. See, I have test for Microsoft as well. I'm just testing. Yesterday I was testing. These are my yesterday's email, I guess. Today's email 1, 2, 3. Yeah, yesterday's. See, these are my emails yesterday which I was tested. So we try to. So this is how hacker tries to gain your email account. Let's try to grab your passwords, email account, credit card details, or blah blah. You 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 might not aware like how hackers will deploy the malicious software on your machine. Like if you most of the things these things hacker will try, most of the things this viruses, this malware will get this keylogger will affect it by, if you suppose if you're downloading any third party, if you're downloading any software, if you're downloading any cracked software from third party, like if you're downloading suppose Microsoft Office, Windows operating system from third party cracked version, this includes the most of the time keyloggers and malwares and all this. So you don't know what hacker is trying to do with those softwares. So better not to download from the third party. If you really want to use this, if you don't have the, if you don't, if it's around, if you don't have money to purchase these softwares, then you try to use the trial version. Microsoft is always giving trial version for 30 days, 40 days. You can work in that. So guys, do not use the cracked version. Always be safe. Thanks for watching my videos. Do not forget to share my video, and do not forget to comment below if you have any requirement, like you want to see any topic, further topic, other than these keyloggers related to security. I'll try to post the video. Okay, thanks for bye bye.